Good morning, students and teachers. In our today's lesson, we will talk about the parts of an airplane and their function. In this presentation, you see the main components of aircraft. The main components of aircraft is power plant, wings, fuselage, stabilizers, flight controls, and landing gear. There are many parts of an airplane, and each has its own specific function. Let's look at the main components of an airplane and get a better understanding of their function. The first we will talk about the fuselage. Fuselage is the central body of an airplane and designed to accommodate the crew, passengers, and cargo. It also provides the structural connection for the wings and tail assembly. The next one is the cockpit. Cockpit is the area at the front of the fuselage from which a pilot operates the plane. The cockpit contains the first instrumental panel. This is similar to a car dashboard, providing the pilot with information about the flight, the engine and circumstances of the aircraft. Depending on the avionics installed in aircraft, this may be on an attractive screen or using the type code for key pieces of information. Flight controls. Usually in the cockpit, there are two seats, one for the pilot and the second is the for co-pilot. Wings. Wings may be attached at the top, at the middle, or lower portion of the fuselage. These designs are referred to as a high, mid, wing respectively. The number of the wings also can be varied. Planes with the single wings are as a monoplane, and with two sets are called the biplanes. Wings and aircraft are critical to flight through the production of lift, but they have many parts of wings to control the lift, the mount, the direction. The next part of the aircraft is the tail. An aircraft tail is mainly used for stability, as well as creating lift in combination with the wings. It's comprised of several parts. The rudder is attached to the vertical stabilizer. During lift, it is used to move the airplane's nose left, and right. The elevator, which is attached to the back of horizontal stabilizer, is used to move the nose of airplanes up and down during flight. In this picture, you see the rudder and elevator. Landing gear. Landing gear is the principal support of the plane. When parked, taking off and landing, the most common type of landing consists of wheels, but some airplanes can also equip with float for water operation of landing on. Landing gear is located under the belly of the plane, consisting of wheel and strut of certain impact with the ground and may be detectable in the fuselage. Power plant usually includes both the engine and the propeller. The primary function of the engine is to provide the power to turn the propeller. It also generates electrical power, provides a vacuum source for some flight instruments, and most single-engine airplanes provide a source of heat for the pilot and passenger. The engine is covered by a cowling or nacelle, which are both types of covered housing. The purpose of the cowling or nacelle is to streamline the flow air around the engine and to help cool the engine by ducting air around the cylinders. Propeller. An aircraft propeller are airfoils, similar to a wing, installed vertically to create thrust, to drive the plane forward. Attached to the engine, they spin quickly, creating lift from the pressure. Difference they create. Only instead of the lift causing the plane to move upward. And thank you for your attention. And in our next lesson, we will discussed about every part of airplane individually.